little house feels big and empty, just me and my shadow here all alone. I try to keep it the way you left it, just in case you decide to come home. Now I'm staring at this paper that you left for me to sign, but I'm holding off in case you change your mind. Was it something I did? Was it something I didn't do? Do you just need some time? Baby, take one more night to think it through. Oh, I hope it's not hopeless and you might come back to me. I don't wanna let go, 'cause I know what goodbye means. Was I breaking your heart and you didn't show it? Or when you tried to, I missed it somehow. As I'm staring at this page and the boxes by the door, till I can't see much of